Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Engineer Kim, a registered mechanical engineer and a freelance designer. Today, I'll share with you the part 1 ng manual meat grinding project na pinagawa ni client as an additional machine sa kanilang meat processing line. Sa video na to, papakita ko sa inyo ang layout, design ng screw conveyor and the housing using Solidworks. Since this is an assembly drawing, so by part ko lang siyang ipapakita sa inyo. Okay, so let's start. Are you familiar with the screw conveyor? Okay, so let's define first what is screw conveyor. Screw conveyor or tinatawag na auger is the main feeding mechanism that pushes meat from the hopper to the grinding area. Its rotating helical blade inside a casing moves material steadily. Meron tayong mga important parts ng screw conveyor. So we have the helical screw. So ito yung spiral blade na umiikot para i-move yung meat forward. Okay, so dapat pumili tayo ng tamang pitch para mabalance ang flow rate at maiwasan ng pagbabara. Another part is the shaft. So ito yung nagsisilbi na support ng screw para smooth yung rotation. So gumamit ako ng hardened steel para matibay. And for the bearings naman, gumamit ako ng sealed bearings para hindi mapasukan ng dumi o meat particles at para smooth din ang rotation. And for the design considerations naman, ang clearance ng screw sa casing ay dapat sakto para efficient ang feeding pero walang friction or damage. Dapat madaling i-disassemble para sa regular cleaning dahil food contact parts to. Kailangang matibay para kayanin ang continuous operation kahit manual. And for the material selection naman, stainless steel 304 para sa screw at lahat ng parts na dumidikit sa meat para food safe, corrosion resistant at madaling linisin. Hardened steel shaft para sa matibay na suporta and sealed bearings para protektado laban sa contamination and mas matagal ang buhay ng mga parts. Ginawa ko muna yung 3D modeling using Solidworks ng screw conveyor para makita ko yung tamang sukat, alignment at clearance. So nakakatulong to para maiwasan yung mga fabrication errors and para sakto din sa mga requirements ni client. So after natin ma-design yung screw conveyor, so let's proceed naman sa housing and casing layout. Okay, so ano nga ba yung housing? So yung housing, ito yung nagsisilbi na structural frame at protective enclosure ng screw conveyor at grinding mechanism. Okay, so ginawa ko lang sakto yung frame sa sukat ng conveyor at grinder para perfect ang fit. So nag-add na rin ako ng mga mounting holes at flanges para madali i-assemble at i-secure lahat ng components. Okay, nag-design din ako ng bends, cutouts at features para mas madali kapag dinala na sa fabrication and for the maintenance. Chinek ko din yung clearance ng mga moving parts para walang sag or interference habang nag-ooperate. We have different factors to consider in designing a meat grinder machine. So first is the food safety and the food grade materials. So, gumamit tayo ng stainless steel 304 or 316. So, ito yung commonly na ginagamit sa lahat ng food contact parts like the screw conveyor, grinding plate, blades, and hopper. And iwasan din gumamit ng mga materials na kinakalawang or leach chemicals since the machine will process raw meat. Surfaces should be smooth and easy to clean to prevent bacterial growth. And gumamit din tayo ng mga sealed or food grade bearings to avoid contamination. Second factor to consider is the ease of cleaning and maintenance. Okay, the design should allow quick disassembly of parts in contact with meat for washing and sanitation. Okay, so bawasan natin yung mga hard to reach corners or crevices where meat residue can accumulate. Gumamit tayo ng drain holes or smooth slopes para sa water to flow during cleaning. Another factors to consider is the structural strength and durability. Mild steel can be used for the structural frame, but paint or powder coating is needed for corrosion protection on non-food contact areas. So yung mga components tulad ng screw shaft and gears must be hardened or treated to resist wear and tear. For the compliance and standards, if commercial use, check food equipment regulations in your region like FDA or NSF standards. Follow good manufacturing processes or yung GMP for food processing equipment. And then last, kailangan din natin i-consider yung mga safety features. So gumamit tayo ng mga guards or covers to protect the user from moving parts. Edges and corners of the housing should be rounded or chamfered to prevent injuries. Okay, so i-consider din natin yung emergency stop or manual disengage for motorized units. And that's the end of part 1 of our manual meat grinder project. Today, we walk through the screw conveyor layout and the housing design using Solidworks and the material choices that ensure the machine is durable, safe, and efficient. Okay, sa next video naman natin is papakita ko naman yung mga iba pang parts ng manual meat grinder project natin. And for the part 3 naman is nandun na yung pinaka-final assembly ng machine natin. If you enjoy learning about custom machine designs and mechanical projects, please don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more mechanical engineering builds and design tips. Once again, I'm Engineer Kim. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone. See you in my part 2. Bye-bye.